Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating world of brainwaves. Our brains are constantly generating electrical activity, which can be measured in the form of different brainwave frequencies. These brainwaves are associated with various states of consciousness and cognitive functioning. Let's dive in and uncover the mysteries of these neural rhythms. First, we have the delta waves, which range from 0.5 to 4 Hz. These slow, high-amplitude waves are typically observed during deep sleep and are crucial for bodily restoration and healing. They play a vital role in the maintenance of overall health and well-being. Moving on to the theta waves, which fall within the 4 to 8 Hz range. These waves are commonly associated with the dreamy state just before we drift off to sleep and during deep meditation. Theta waves are linked to creativity, intuition, and deep emotional experiences, fostering a sense of inner peace and spiritual connection. Next, we encounter alpha waves ranging from 8 to 14 Hz. These waves are prominent when we are in a relaxed yet alert state of mind. They are often present during light meditation, daydreaming, and a state of effortless focus. Alpha waves are crucial for enhancing learning, concentration, and overall mental coordination. Now, let's explore the beta waves, which span the 14 to 30 Hz range. These fast, low-amplitude waves are associated with our waking state and heightened mental activity. Beta waves are crucial for critical thinking, problem-solving, and active engagement with the external world. They keep us focused, alert, and ready to tackle challenges. Finally, we have the gamma waves ranging from 30 to 100 Hz. These rapid, high-frequency waves are linked to advanced cognitive processing, heightened perception, and a heightened state of consciousness. Gamma waves are believed to be crucial for information processing, learning, and the integration of complex information. Understanding these diverse brainwave frequencies provides us with insights into our mental states and cognitive abilities. By harnessing this knowledge, we can explore various techniques to optimize our brain's potential and enhance our overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the realm of brainwaves. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the wonders of the human mind.